what about this whole logic and math thing? We can know this better than we can know science. He's already mentioned the importance of the laws of logic and of the basics of mathematics. But what is it about these areas of knowledge that set them above science? They have two characteristics that are worth noting. First, the law of logic and basic mathematics are known in an a priori manner, by direct rational institution or awareness, without appealing to sense experience to justify them. So again, how is this table in front of me made up of wood and plastic? Okay, what are those? I have to develop tools to disassemble and to break down these parts into even smaller components, and then I have to see what their structure style is, and then I find just a bunch of empty space, but within that empty space I find these little small particles, and I'm going to label them, and then what are they made up of? Then I have to build a big little slingshot around pretty much all of China, and then we'll maybe be able to see what those things are made of.
Or even worse, the table is just a hologram. Right? And so notice our cognitive or our sense perception sees a table, but it's really a hologram, and so but we think it's a table. But we can't make a mistake about 2 + 2 = 4. It's 4. So there's no hologram, right? There's no confusion. There's no, oops, I made a mistake by my experience or perception. And so that's the point that he's trying to make here, right? Mathematics, laws of logic are a priori, and we know them by direct rational intuition or awareness. And that seems to be, he's going to argue, superior to sense perception.
Right. We can just rationally see that they're basic laws of logic and math and they're true. Then we can move on. That's it. That's all you have to do. That's how easy math is. See, for those people that claim that they're not math people, it's just the basic underpinnings of all reality for you.